Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al-Munir High School e-learning system. We are going to do unit number 5, decimal fractions and percentage. Unit number 5, exercise 1. Write shaded parts as fraction and then as decimal fraction. Solution 2 over 10 equals 0.2. Question number 2, 75 over 100 equals 0.75. Next exercise 2, write the fraction into decimal fraction. 19 over 10 equal 1.9. 45 over 100 with the value of 45 divided by 100 is equal to 0.45. 573 over 10 equal 57.3. 10 by 9 over 10, 10 times 100, 100 plus 9, 109 over 10, divided answer 10.9 is your answer. Exercise 3, write the following as decimal fraction of 1 meter. 15 centimeter, 15 centimeter equal 15 centimeter over 1 meter. 15 centimeter over 100 centimeter equal 3 over 20 equal 0.15 meter. 55 centimeter equal 55 centimeter over 1 meter equal 55 centimeter over 100 centimeter equal 11 over 20 equal 0.55 meter. 575 mm millimeter, 575 mm over 1 meter, 575 over 1000 mm equal 23 over 40 equals 0.575 meter. Next question, 5 centimeter over 1 meter, 5 centimeter over 100 centimeter equal 1 over 20 equals 0.05 meter. Exercise 4, write these decimal fraction as fraction in their lowest terms. 0.25, replace the point of decimal point 25 after decimal point 2 digits, putting the value of 20. 25 over 100 equal 1 over 4. 0.75, 75 over 100 equal 3 by 4. 0.08 equal 100, 8 over 100 equal 2 over 25. 3.50, 350 over 100 equal 35 over 10, 0, 0. So cancel 35 over 10 equal 10 over 2. 5 to the 10, 5 7 the 35. 7 over 2 equal 3 by 1 over 2 is your answer. 10.75 equal 1075 over 100 equal 43 over 4 equal 10 by 3 over 4 is your answer. Next exercise 5, write as decimal fractions 2800, 310 and 1 unit, 410, 700. 2831.47, 300, 3 unit, 2 tenths, 303.2, 1004 unit, 3 tenths, 8 thousandths, 1004.308, 4 unit and 504.05. Exercise 6, compare the following fractions and insert less than, greater than or equal than correctly. Question number 1, 0.8 blank, 0.5 as number of 10th place that 8 is greater than to 5, therefore 0.8 greater than to 0.58. 11.2 greater than 1, therefore 11.2 greater than 1.5. 23.5 and 23.450 as 2 equal to 3 equal 3 and 4 equal 4 and 5 equal 5. Therefore 23.45 equal 23.45. 0.56 and 0.6 as number at 10th place that is 5 less than 6, therefore 0.56 less than 0.6. Next, decimal fraction, like and unlike decimal fraction. Groups of decimal fractions having the same number of decimal places are called like fractions. fraction. Next exercise, exercise 7. Add the following decimal: 1.644.7.221. Write in column by lining the decimal points 1.644.7.210. When we add these two numbers, we get the answer 8.854. 457.48 plus 3.7, 457.48 plus 0.03.70. When we add these two values, we get the answer 461.18, 22.300 and plus 45.125. When we add these two values, we get the answer 67.425 is your answer. 2.4 plus 33.568 plus 76, 0.2.400, 33.568 and 76.00. When we add three values, we get the answer 111.968. 9.9 plus 34.65 plus 60.345, 9.900, 34.650, 60.345. When we add three numbers, we get the answer 104.895. Exercise 8. Subtract the following decimal numbers: 32.3 minus 19.56. The value of 19.56 subtract from the value of 32.30, we get the answer 12.70. And next question, question number 2, 87.07 subtract 67.98, we get the answer 19.09. 3.456 minus 0.078, when the value of 0.078 subtract from the value of 3.456, we get the answer 3.378. 100 minus 45.999, 100 subtract 45.999. When the value of 45.999 subtract from the value of 100, we get the answer 54.001. 54.001. Next, 429.015 minus 67.89, 429.015 minus 0.67.890, 361.125. Next exercise, exercise 9. Take away 555.2 from 67, the value of 67 and the second value of 55.2. When the value of 55.2 subtract from the value of 67, we get the answer 11.8. What should be added to 43.98 to get 50? To get that number, we have to subtract 43.98 from 50. 50 minus 43.98, 6.02. Therefore, by adding 6.02 to 43.98, we get 50. From the sum of 6.7 and 23.58, take away 19.987. Next question, question number 3. The decimal places in the censor the total number of the decimal places in decimal fraction multiplied. 0.5 multiplied by 0.3. 0.5 multiplied by 0.3 equals 0.15. 5 3 the 15. 3.1 multiplied 4, 4 1 the 4, 4 3 the 12, 12.4. 24.67 multiplied by 0.7. When the value of 24.67 multiplied by 0.7, we get the answer 17.269. 1.587 multiplied by 3.2, 1.587 multiplied by 3.2, the value of 2, 2 7 is 14, 8 is 16 plus 1 17, 5 is 10, 10 plus 1 11, 2 1 is 2 and 1 3. Next value of 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24 plus 6 plus 2 26, 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17, 7 carry down, putting down and 1 carry on, 3 1 are 3 plus 4. When we add these two values, we get the answer 5.0784. Question number 4, 17.123 multiplied by 0, 17.123 multiplied by 0. When the value of both multiply to each other, we get the answer 0. Next exercise 11. Fill in the blanks. 82.9 multiplied by 8290. 82.9 multiplied by 10. 0.001 multiplied by 7.0 multiplied by 100 and multiplied by 1000. Next value of 10.014. Replace the value of 0.1, 000 after decimal point 00 and 1000. The value of 1000 equals 0.1 is your answer. Next one, 10.014 equals 0.1, 0.001 multiplied by 100 equals 0.1, 460.01 multiplied by 100 equals 46001. Next exercise 12. To make a suit, a tailor need $5.5 meter cloth. How much cloth will he needed to make 13 suit? He needed 13 suit. Cloth needed to make one suit 5.25 total suit to make 13. Therefore total cloth need to make 13 suits. 5.525 multiplied by 13. When the both value multiplied to each other, get the answer 1575 and 5250. When the value of two values added on both, we get the answer 68.25 is your answer. Hence total cloth 68.25 meter. So he is saving for 2 weeks. Rupees 15.50 multiplied by 14 equal to 117. Exercise 13. Using the right conversion and fill in the blanks. 4.5 meter equal to centimeter. 4.5 multiplied by 100 centimeter equal 450 centimeter. 15.25 multiplied by 1000 equal 15,250 gram. 5.51 meter equal 5.1 multiplied by 100 centimeter equal 510 centimeter. 1.51 equal 1.5 multiplied by 1000 milliliter equal 1500 milliliter. 5.5 multiplied by 10 equal 55 mm. Division of decimal fraction. Dividing a decimal fraction by 10, 100, 1000. When dividing decimal fraction by 10, the decimal point move one place to the left. (486) the value of 14. Divide exercise 14. 34.67 divide 10, 3.467. Question number 2, 90.678 divide 100 equals 0.90678 is your answer. Question number 3, 486.23 plus divide 1000 equals 0.48623. 1.009 divide 1000 equals 0.001009. Question number 4, 0.34 divide 100, solution 0.0034. 9.27 divide 3, 9.27 over 100 divide 3 over 1. 927 over 100 multiply 1 over 3. 9309 over 100 equal 3.09. Therefore 3.09 is your answer. Next question, question number 7. 56.25 divide 4.5. 5625 over 100 divide 45 over 10. 5625 over 100 multiply by 10 over 45. 25 by 2 equal 12.5 is your answer. 32.55 divide 0.7, 32.55 divide 0.7, 32.55 multiplied by 10 divided by 0.7 multiplied by 10. 325.5 over 7 equal 46.5 is your answer. 16.5 divide 0.15, 16.5 divide 0.15, 16.5 multiplied by 100, 0.15 multiplied by 100 equal 1650 over 15 equal 110. 45.87 divide 45.87, 45.87 over 45.87 equal 1 by 1, 1 1 is 1, answer is 1. Fill in the blanks. 85.9 divide 1000, 0.0859. 87.5 divide 100, 0.875, 9 divide 1000 equal 0.009, 287.76 divide 100 equal to 2.8776, 0 divide 5.66 equal, answer is 0. Next exercise 16. Solve the following. 0.25 multiplied by 0.75, 0.25 multiplied by 0.75, 5 5s are 25, 5 0 10, 10 plus 2 12, 5 0 0 plus 1 125, multiplied by 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35 and 5 7 to the 14, 14 plus 3 17, 1750, 0.1875. Therefore 0.25 multiplied by 0.75, we get the answer 0.1875. 0.07 multiplied by 2 5. When we both value multiply by on each other, we get the answer 0.0175. Therefore 0.07 multiplied by 2.5 equals 0.0175. 0.07 multiplied by 0.25 equal 5 7s are 35, 5 0 0, 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14, 0.0175 is your answer. Therefore 0.07 multiplied by 0.25 equals 0.0175 is your answer. Next question, question number 4. 7 multiplied by 2 5, 4 5s are 4, 7 2s are 14 and 7 5s are 35, 5 3 carry 7 to the 14 plus 3. We add the 3 numbers, 17.5 is your answer. 0.07 multiplied by 0.25, 0.077 5 is 35, 5 0 7 to the 14, 14 plus 3 equals 17. 0.175 is your answer. Next exercise 17. Using the correct conversion, fill in the blanks. 45 mm equals centimeter. 45 divide 10 centimeter equal 4.5 centimeter. 90p equal 90p, 90 pound, 90 divide 100 rupees equal 0.90. 3452 divide 10 equal 34.52 meter. 6500 ml milliliter. 6500 ml divide 6500 divide 1000 equal 6.500 L, and 9500 gram converted into kilogram. 9500 divide 1000 kg equal 9.5 kg. Next question, question number 6. 2360 meter equal to kilometer. 2360 divide 1000 kilometer equal 2.360 kilometer. 2050 pound converted into rupees. 2050 divided penny. 2050 divide 100 rupees equals rupees 20.50. Question number, decimal fractions involving multiple operations and brackets are simplified using the rule of BODMAS. Exercise 18, question number 1. 900 minus 98.647 plus 8.611 multiplied by 21 divides 0.3. 8611 multiplied by 21 equal 180.83 divide 0.3. 998 plus 98.647 plus 180.831 over 0.3 multiplied by 10 and multiplied by 10. The value of 1808 multiplied 0.31 over 3. The answer is 989.87, 602.77, 900 minus 701.417. 198, when the value of 701 subtract from the value of 900, we get the answer 198.583 is your answer. 1.2 of 0.5 plus 6.7 minus curly bracket start, small bracket start, 2.5 multiplied by 0.8 divide 0.5 curly bracket close. 1.2 multiplied by 0.5 plus 6.7 minus 2 divide 0.5. 1.2 multiplied by 0.5 plus 6.7 minus 2 multiplied by 10 over 0.5 multiplied by 10. 1.2 multiplied by 0.5 plus 6.7 minus 20 over 5. 5 4s are 20. 1.5 multiply 0.5 plus 6.7 minus 4. 0.6 plus 6.7 minus 4. 7.3 minus 4 equal 3.3 is your answer. 1.36 minus curly bracket start 1.4 minus small bracket start 0.00876 divide 0.219 small bracket close curly bracket close and large bracket close multiply by 2.95. The value of 1.36 minus curly bracket start 1.4 minus 8.76 over 219 curly bracket close large bracket close multiply by 2.95. 1.36 minus 1.4 and the value of 8.76 divided by 219, the answer 0.04 curly bracket close large bracket close multiply by 2.95. 1.36 minus 1.36 multiply 2.9. 1.36 subtract 1.36, the value will be answer is 0 multiply by 2.95. 2.95 multiplied by 0, we get the answer 0. Next question, question number 4. 15.606 divide 34 plus 6.721 multiplied by 2.6 minus 17.4736. 15.606 divide 34 plus 17.4746 minus 17.4736. 15.606 over 34 plus 17.4746 minus 17.4736. 0.459 plus 17.4746 minus 17.4736 equals 0.46 is your answer. 1.5 plus 1.5 of 1.5 divide 1.5 minus 1.5 multiplied by 1.5. 1.5 plus 1.5 multiplied by 1 minus 1.5. 1.5 minus 1.5 equals 0. 0 multiplied by 1.5, 0. 1.5 plus 0, answer will be 1.5. Answer will be 1.5 is your answer. 1.5 is your answer. Next exercise, exercise 19. Round of the nearest 10, 3.78. In 3.78 the 100 digit of 8. Since 8 greater than 5, therefore 3.78 is round of 3.8. 59.96, 59.96 the 100 digit of 6. Since 6 greater than 5, therefore 59.96 is round of 60.0. 196.87 the 100 digit of 7. Since 7 greater than 5, therefore 196.87 is rounded off to 196.9. Round of the nearest 100, 8.972. In 8.972 the sounded digit of 2. Since 2 less than 5, therefore 8.972 is round off to 8.97. 37.899. In 37.899, the thousand digit of 9. Since 9 greater than 5, therefore 37.899 is round off 37.90. 499.996. In 499.996, the thousand digit equals 6. Since 6 greater than 5, therefore 499.996 is rounded off to 500. Simplify the following, give your answer. Rounded off to decimal places, 0.26 divide 4 equals 0.65 equal to 0.07 after rounding off. 3.98 multiplied by 10, 0.8 multiplied by 10, 10 se cancel, 339.8 over 8 equal 4.975. In 4.975, the thousand digit equal 5. Since 5 equal 5, therefore 4.975 is rounded off to 4.98. 10.5 divide 0.09, 10.5 multiplied by 100, 0.09 multiplied by 100. 1050 over 9 equal 116.666. 116.666, the thousand digits equal 6. Since 6 greater than 5, so 116.666 is rounded off to 116.67 is your answer. Next part number D, 56.84 multiplied by 1.3, 56.84 divide 1.3, 56.84 multiplied by 10 divided by 1.3 multiplied by 10. 568.4 over 13 equal 43.723. 43.72 round off to decimal places, 56.1 plus 8.9 minus 15.982. 56.1, 8.9, 65.000 minus 15.982. When the value of 15.982 subtract from the value of 65, we get the answer 49.018. 49.018, 49.2 is your answer. Next exercise, exercise 20. The cost of 5 rule is 75.5. Find the cost of 1 ruler. The cost of 5 ruler rupees 75.50. The cost of 1 ruler 75.50 divide 5. 5 ones are 5, 7 less 5 equal to 25, 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 25. The point is here and putting the value of 5, 50, 5 tens are 50 equal to 0. Therefore, cost of 1 ruler equal 5.15.10. If 2.25 meter of cloth is required to stitch 1 pant, how much cloth is needed to stitch 8 pants? Cloth required to stitch 1 pant 2.25 meter. Cloth required to stitch 8 pants equal 2.25 multiplied by 8 meter equal 8 multiplied by 2, 8 to the 16 multiplied by 0.25 equal 18 meter. 4 bags contain 80.64 kilogram, 78.76 kg, 69.87 kilogram and 70.93 kilogram of wheat. How much wheat is there in all the 4 bags? Total wheat in 4 bags equals 69.87 kilogram plus 70.93 kilogram plus 78.6, 80.64, 78.76, 69.87, 70.93. When we add these values, we get the answer 300.20. So the total wheat in 4 bags 300.2 kilogram. Next question, question number 4. The thickness of one book is 5.38 centimeter. The thickness of another book is 4.85 centimeter. What is the total thickness of the 2 books when placed one on top to another. The thickness of one book 5.38 centimeter. The thickness of second book 4.85 centimeter. Their total thickness when placed one on top of another 5.38 centimeter plus 4.85 centimeter. When we add these values, we get the answer 10.23 centimeter. A man's millimeter shows that they have travelled 74.7 kilometer. How much more does he need to drive to reach 150 kilometer? Distance travelled 74.7 kilometer. Distance needed to cover 150 kilometer. 150 minus 74.7. When the value of 74.7 subtract from the value of 150, we get the answer 75.3 kilometer. Nadia scored 8.9, 9.1, 9.2, 8.8 and 93 from 5 different judges in their gymnastic routine. What was her total score? Her total score 8.9 plus 9.1 plus 9.2 plus 8.8 plus 9.3 equal 45.3, the total score. Aryan took 11.2 seconds and Hafiz 10.9 seconds to run a 100-meter race. Who won and by how many seconds? As 11.2 seconds are greater than 10.9 seconds. Therefore, Hafiz won the race and their time difference 11.2 minus 10.9 seconds equals 0.3 seconds. Nafisa need to buy a dozen pencils. If each cost rupees 6.25, how much money does she need? Cost of one pencil 6.25, cost of one dozen pencil 6.25 multiplied by 12 equals 75. Therefore, she need rupees 75 to buy one dozen pencils. Question number 9. A cup can hold 0.051 of tea. If the capacity of the teapot is 300 ml, how many teacups can it fill? Capacity of one cup 0.051 multiplied by 1000 ml equal 50 ml. The capacity of teapot 300 ml. The number of cups it can fill 300 ml divide 50 ml equal 300 ml over 50 ml. 0 से cancel 5 6 are 30, 6 ml. Therefore, it can fill 6 cups. The weight of a person on Jupiter is 2.7 times his weight on Earth. If a person weighed 65.5 kgs on Earth, what would his weight be on Jupiter? Weight of person on Jupiter 2.7 times his weight on Earth. 2.7 multiplied by 6.5 65.5 kg equal 176.85 kilogram. Percent means per 100. The symbol is used to percentage, so we can write 37 over 100 equal 37% equal 0.37. We can write 97 over 100 equal 97% equal 0.97. We can write 4 over 100 equal 4% equal 0.04, etc. Next exercise 21. Exercise 21, write as a percent. 28 over 100, 28% equal 28% is your answer. Question number 2. 32 over 100, 32 over 100 equal 32%, 4500 equal to 45%, 80 over 100 equal 80%, 60 over 100 equal 60%, 150 over 100 equal 150%. Exercise 22. Exercise 22, complete the following table. 35%, 30 over 100 equals 0.35, 50%, 50 over 100 0.50, 45%, 45 over 100 equals 0.45, 75%, 75 over 100 equals 0.05, 1%, 1 over 100 equals 0.01, 129%, 129 over 100 equal 1.29, 245%, 245 over 100 equal 2.45, 525%, 525 over 100 equal 5.25. Express the shaded and unshaded parts as percentage. Shaded fraction 65 over 100, shaded percent 65%, unshaded percent 35%, shaded fraction 43 over 100, shaded percentage 43% and unshaded percent 57%. Next exercise, exercise 24. Write as fraction in lowest term 75%, 75 over 100, 25 3 the 75, 25 4 the 100 equal 3 over 4 is your answer. 50%, 50 over 100, 51 the 50, 52 the 100, 1 over 2 is your answer. 5%, 5 over 100 equal 5 1 the 5, 5 20 the 100 equal 1 over 20 is your answer. 25% equal 25 over 100 equal 1 by 4 is your answer. 400% equal 4 over 100 over 100 equal 4 over 1. 00 से cancel 4 over 1, 1 4 the 4, 4 is your answer. Next 150%, 150 over 100, 0 से cancel 15 over 10, 5 3 the 15, 5 2 the 10, 3 by 2, 1 by 1 over 2 is your answer. Exercise 25, write as decimal. 35%, 35 over 100 equals 0.35, 7% equals 7 over 100 equals 0.07 is your answer. Question number 4, 15%, 15 over 100 equals 0.15, 90%, 90 over 100 equals 0.9, 125% equal 125 over 100 equal 1.25 is your answer. Next exercise, exercise 26, change to percentage. 0.34 equal 34 over 100 equal 34% is your answer. 0.87, 87 over 100 equal 87 percentage. 0.01 equal 1 over 1000, 100 equal 1%. 0.56, 56 over 100 equal 56%. 0.23, 23%. 0.23, 23 over 100 equal 23%. 2.25, 225 over 100 equal 225%. 225%. Okay, next exercise 27. Tick the correct ones, cross out the wrong ones and correct them. 8% 0.8, 8% 0.08 cross. 28% 0.28 correct. 70% 0.7 correct. 1.50 150 cross. 1.50 1.5 over 100 equals 0.015. 10% 1 over 10, 150% 1.5 is your answer. Next exercise, exercise 28. Change the following fractions and decimal fractions to percentage. 3 over 50, 3 multiplied by 2 divided by 50 multiplied by 2. 3 to the 6, 50 to the 100, 6 over 100 equals 6%. 1 by 3 over 4, 1 by 3 over 4, 4 1 the 4 plus 4 1 the 4 plus 3, 7, 7 over 4, 7 over 4. 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 25 for the 100 equal answer is 4%. 9 over 25, 9 over 25, 9 multiplied 4, 25 multiplied 4 equals 75 over 100 equals 75%. Question number 4, 15. Question number 4, 1.7, 17 over 100, 17 multiplied by 10, 10 multiplied by 10 equal 170 over 100%, 170%. And the next question number 4, 15 over 20, 15 multiplied by 75, 20 multiplied by 25 the 100. First of all आपने 100 को इक्वल करना होता है, बाद ऊपर वाली वैल्यू के साथ जिस वजह से डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, उसी वैल्यू को हम 5 से न्यूमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। 0.06 0.06.100 6 over 100 equals 6%, 1.8 18 over 10 10 multiplied by 10 100, 18 multiplied 180 over 100 equal 180%. 4.125 4125 over 1000, 10 multiplied by 100 equal 1000, 412.5 equal 412.5% is your answer. Next exercise 29. Choose the correct answer. 3 over 5 equal 3% or 35%, 60%. 3 over 5, 3 multiplied by 20, 60 over 100 equals 60%. Therefore 3 over 5 equal to 60% is your answer. 1.7 equal 170% or 170% or 71%. 1.7 equal 17 over 100 equal 17 multiplied by 10, 10 multiplied by 10 equal 170 over 100 equal 170%. Therefore 1.7 equal 170%. 25 over 50, 25% or 1.5 or 50%, 25 over 50 equal 25 multiplied by 2 and 52 multiplied by 100, 50 over 100. 0 0 से cancel. 5 over 10 1 by 2 equal 50% is your answer. Therefore 25 over 50 equal to 50%. 16% equal 1 over 16 or 16 over 10 or 4 over 25. 16%, 16 over 100, 4 4 the 16, 4 25 the 100, 4 over 25 is the correct answer. Next exercise 30. Rizwan had rupees 100. He spent rupees 25 on an ice cream, rupees 45 on pizzas, and the rest on other things. What percentage did he spend on other things? Total money Rizwan had rupees 100. Total money he spent on ice cream and pizzas 25 plus 45 equals 70. Money he spent on other things 100 minus 70 equal 30. Percentage he spent on other things 30 over 100 equal 30%. Ramesh scored 45 out of 50 in maths and 87 out of 100 in English. In which did he score a higher percentage? Fraction of marks he get in maths 45 or 50. 45 multiplied by 2, 50 multiplied by 2 equal 90 over 100 equal to 90%. Next exercise 30, question number 3. Our body is made up of 50% muscle, 20% fat, 80% bone and 12% other substances. Express their percentage as fraction in their lowest form. Muscle 50%, 50% over 1 over 2, 20%, 20 over 100 equal 1 over 5, 80%, 80 over 100 equal 4 over 5. Other substance 12%, 12 over 100 equal 4, 3 the 12, 4 2 the 8, to carry 4 5 the 20, 3 over 25 is your answer. Next question number 4. 70 out of 350, 70 out of 350 students who wrote a math test score less than 50 marks. What percentage score as less than 50 marks? What percentage score more? Total student 350. Number of students who got less than 50 marks equals 70. Fraction of students who got less than 50 marks 70 over 350. 0 0 से cancel. 7 1 the 7, 7 5 the 35 equal 10 over 50. 7 10 70 and 7 1 over 25 equal 20 over 100 equal 20% is your answer. Next question number 5. 1 over 5%, 1 over 5 equal 20%. Out of 520 students in a school, 40% the girl and the rest boys. What is the percentage of boys? What is the number of boys? What is the number of girls? As percentage of girls 40%. Therefore percentage of boys 100 minus 40% equals 60%. Number of boys 60% of 520. 60% multiplied by 520, 6 multiplied by 52 equal 312. Number of girls 520 minus 312 equal 208 girls. Alternate number of girls 40% of 520, 40 over 100, 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, 4 multiply 52 equal 208 is your answer. 208 number of girls. In an aptitude test, Shan was able to answer 40 questions out of 75 correctly. Correct your answer to 2 decimal places. What is the percentage of the correct answer? What is the percentage of the wrong answer? Total question 75, answer of right question 40. Fraction of answer to right question 45 over 75 equal 8 over 15, 0.5333 and carry on. Next 0.53 correct 2 decimal places, 0.53. Okay class, this is all for today. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.